It wasn't an accident because the lady said she hit me on purpose. So I go through the whole process of filing my own lawsuit, which I definitely don't recommend, but it was an experience that I just thought I wanted to have. So I go through the process. We go through what's supposed to be a mediation. But one of the rules for mediation is that everybody who's attending the mediation who has an interest has to file a certificate of attendance and authority. Nobody filed one except for Officer O'Baskell on behalf of the Tuckers, who are the lady, which is the lady who hit me. She was driving her mother's car. So anyway, we go through this process, right? And we go to the mediation and we have a discussion about what the settlement agreements are going to be. I'm not going to get into that, so they don't cry and bitch and moan that I may have violated the mediation privilege doctrine, which is kind of crazy considering they didn't follow the rules. And there was we got the guy on here himself. So there was a stipulation. After the stipulation, what they decided to do was to create a release that had language that was not in the stipulation and was not discussed at the mediation. After that was over, I look at it and say, I'm not signing it. The judge orders me to sign something against my will. I sign it under duress, and they give me a check for $30,000. I'm like, I don't want this check, but I take the check anyway, deposit the check. And so I turn back around and I say, okay, I'm going to set aside this order because it's no good. Plus, the court didn't have any jurisdiction over the non-represented party. So we go through that process. First time they want to claim, well, Mr. Dawes signed a release and released the parties. And I'm like, motherfucker, I can't release who I didn't sue. They're not a party to the case. They didn't attend. Their rights weren't represented. And the only attorney there was Michael Rowe. If you're not familiar, if you are a business in Florida, you must be represented by an attorney in any legal proceeding. So anyway, we go through that process, and now I turn around, I file a lawsuit for fraud in the inducement against these parties. And I actually add the United States government because you can't sue the doctor who's the VA doctor. I have to sue the United States government, which is the VA. And by the way, I've had great care with the low-line people that I tend to deal with at the VA, the frontline people. So now these same damn attorneys are claiming to the court, well, Mr. Dawes didn't have any these other guys didn't have standing in the first case. Mr. Dawes can't sue them. I'm like, no shit, motherfucker.